What happens after the police tow your car? Q&A with FreeAdvice.com. If you are a car owner, you've probably heard of cars getting impounded and towed. If you are unfamiliar with it and are curious about what will happen afterward, you came to the right place. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will walk you through what to do when your car has been towed and how to get it before it's impounded. It's essential to know your legal rights, and the experts at FreeAdvice.com are here to help you. Visit FreeAdvice.com and use our search box to find the best lawyer in your area to help you navigate these tricky legal situations. Our attorney search is 100% free, and our site is full of legal guides that explain what to do and what your rights are. Keep watching and don't miss this important information. Let's get started. Owning a car is an expensive yet necessary purchase for most people. It's a substantial investment that makes life easier. But when it comes to situations where you come across policies and penalties, it's best to know your rights. If you ever find yourself confused and worried about why the police towed your car and you're scared you won't get it back, don't worry. Because today, we are here to help you understand why the police towed your car and what you can do afterward. You might be asking, why did the police tow my car? There are a few things to consider before a car gets towed and impounded. In cases where you got into an accident and they found your car unfit to be driven, it would most likely be impounded due to safety reasons. Towing an undrivable car is a necessary thing to do by law enforcement. Towing your vehicle from the scene of an accident will not only help clear the road faster, but it will also allow you to get your vehicle to the spot where it will be repaired. In most cases, states can impound vehicles as a penalty for driving without compulsory auto liability insurance. It involves penalties such as drunk driving or owning an unregistered car. If a car is used while the driver or passenger is committing an illegal act, such as a drive-by shooting or a robbery, it can be impounded and held as evidence against a crime committed. Can the police tow your car without notice? Police can definitely tow your car without notice. This includes illegal and abandoned vehicles. If your car is parked somewhere private and you don't have permission to park there, your vehicle can be towed. It is important to check for warning signs when parking in an area that may require a permit or payment to park. Where does your car go after it's towed? After the police tow a car, it will usually go to an impound or holding facility. These impound facilities may not always be operated by law enforcement agencies. Some impound lots are run by a private third party. So if your car is impounded, it's best to ask the police officer for the lot location. If your car is towed to either an impound lot or a holding facility, you will want to pick up your vehicle as soon as it is released. Otherwise, you can be charged fines for unnecessary storage. Before we continue, if you find yourself in a situation where you need a lawyer to retrieve your vehicle, visit FreeAdvice.com. Just enter your zip code and you can easily find the best lawyers near you. What happens to towed vehicles after they've been impounded? If you discover that your vehicle has been towed to one impound lot, it's best to first ask if your car is put on hold for a reason. If not, there are cases where once you prove ownership and pay fees and fines, you are good to go. In other cases, the police may require your car to be held for criminal investigation purposes. So, how do you get a car out of an impound lot? Getting your car from an impound lot depends on whether the police have an immobilization order preventing your car's release. The process is more straightforward. If your car is not under an immobilization order, you can contact the tow company for the impound agency address. It is essential to ask for the total bill and a detailed invoice showing the complete breakdown of charges. You'll need a set of requirements to get your car. Proof of ownership, such as car title and registration, is necessary. Most locations will require a photo ID as well. Now, if your documents are inside your car, do not panic. You'll be able to retrieve your vehicle by informing them about this. What happens if you are out of town and your car was towed? Can your vehicle be released to someone else? The answer is yes. If the trusted person brings the required documents, they can retrieve your car for you. Know that the requirements vary from state to state. It is required that the person have a valid driver's license, a signed authorization from the owner, and the owner's valid driver's license or official government photo identification. In special cases where the vehicle has no valid license plate, you might not be permitted to drive it away. Don't be scared. Remember, when you get to the point where you don't know your rights or the next step to take in a serious legal matter, just visit FreeAdvice.com. Enter your zip code in our search box and you will get a list of the top lawyers in your area. In some jurisdictions, a formal written request and a filing fee are required. There are present filing deadlines. Take Illinois, for example. Their preliminary filing must be 15 days after your car is impounded. During the hearing, the police will present information regarding why your vehicle is impounded. This includes testimony or a police report, and then you'll be able to present a valid defense. For cases like this, it's best to seek a lawyer to help you through the process. FreeAdvice.com makes it easy to find lawyers who have years of experience helping their clients through these situations. Their job is to fight for you, make sure your rights are protected, and guide you through challenges such as these. What happens if you can't get your car out of the impound? Impound fees are extremely expensive. Due to this, many people can't afford to get their cars out of impound lots. If fees to get your car back aren't paid, the car will either be sold or destroyed. In both cases, you'll be notified, and you can pay and buy your car back. But even if your car is sold or destroyed, the jurisdiction will likely try to collect the fees owed for violations, towing, and storage. Do not underestimate the cost of towing and storing when your vehicle gets impounded. So, if your car has been impounded and you don't know what to do, consult a car accident lawyer about the circumstances of your case and for guidance on your next steps. That's it for today. We hope this video answers all your questions regarding the law, your rights, and the steps to take after your car is towed. If you ever find yourself in situations like this, it's essential you know your legal rights. The experts found through FreeAdvice.com are eager to help. If you have loved ones or friends who might need our help, don't hesitate to share this video with them. Thanks for watching our video, and remember, in times of confusion, take control and get the legal support you deserve. Remember to like our video and subscribe to our channel.